So, it turns out Mark got, I don't know where, his bowler, and he got a freaking LeBron James. I'll get a rare LeBron James or Stephen Curry. So what's up mga kabowlers? Another unboxing, but I only got one in Walmart, so we'll see. Hopefully we'll get something rare or at least something I don't have yet. And let's go! Come on, call it. Mark, this is for you. Go. More. Come on, give me one rare. Come on, LeBron. So we got Curry, we got LeBron. Oh my god. I don't know what Gerard got, so yep. Here we go. Oh! Oh, it's a free pack, means it's a rare! Woo, 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 woo. Yes! Woo! Now, the question is, who is it? Woo-hoo! 1, 2, 3. Woo! Albo. Skinhead. Oh! Is it Terry? So,
It's okay, sir, baby.
okay. Let's start with the feet. Yee! Naka-rare din. Pink color shoes. Oh, no. Oh, who is this? Oh, it's Jason Tatum. Yeah. Yeah. Mark. Woohoo. Jason Tatum in the house, the rare one. There you go. My first rare, Jason Tatum of the Boston Celtics. I only got one, but it's a rare. Yes. Oop. Come on. So we have Jason Tatum. Of course. Job, right? Common Jason Tatum. Takes away. Kevin Durant. The Beard, James Harden. Devin Booker. Luka Doncic. Chris Paul. And Nikola Jokic. Yep. There you go. That's what I have now. Jason Tatum, my first rare.